So here we are in Tacoma on an absolutely beautiful January 15th day. Hard to believe. It is this gorgeous and warm in January. Here is the new AC heat unit from Flagship Marine. Pretty little thing. I am in the process of taking out the old one first. Got to get this one out. Disconnected the ductwork and got the power disconnected and the pump connection off. Got it unbolted, and now I'm going to take off these water connections, the raw water connections, and the other unit is too long to go in here, although it is shorter. I mean, not as tall, not shorter, not as tall. So it's going to end up going over here where I used to store all my tools. But the power and the ductwork and the return line, all of that comes through this compartment anyway, so it's not going to be too big of a deal. I'm going to put the air return duct over here where these two vents are, so that'll be our return air, and then we'll be routing the ductwork. This duct goes to the forward V-berth, so this will come out of this bulkhead, and then I'll have to put another one in the bulkhead, and it will come underneath this and out over here. And then we're going to have to put a third outlet probably over here. So that's the plan for today. And I've already got some headway going, although it is 1 o'clock in the afternoon. So we'll see if I get it done. Success in getting the broken unit out, and got the supports removed. Probably have to use those in the other cabinet. And here she sits. But I wanted you to look at how brown, how hot this got. I don't know why this didn't turn as brown as these, but these things got so hot, and I don't know why. I'm debating about whether to take it and have it looked at and see if they can figure out what happened. So now, to get the new one installed. Here we go.
Okay, Rick's got it in the hole. This is in the settee. This used to be storage. And where the old Dometic sat is on the opposite side of this settee.
Yeah, it's over on that side where all these hoses used to go.
Where you see hoses used to go into there.
Yeah.
That'll become the storage as much as we can that came out of here with his tools and things.
And then the plenum goes right here.
As soon as we move a few lines.
Yeah, we got to move the water lines, but plenum sits right here.
Will it sit there? You could take your hand off it.
It's actually going to go, I don't know exactly how it's going to fit in here yet. It's going to sit right there.
Something like that.
Yeah, and then we'll run the ducts to the various. The one to the forward V-berth's going to go right here, so that's perfect for that. And then this one is going to come out the front of the settee over there. And then we've got another one we're going to run
somehow over there where you see this hole. Somewhere out over there, right?
Well, we're going to put the big return air duct here.
Oh, that's right.
The return air duct goes here. We're going to run 2 ducts through here. One come out the end and one comes out on the side. Those will be
so
directional.
So it'll come in there, sorry, where I'm standing. It'll come out the end.
Right there where that is.
Over here.
And then we'll have another one.
And then there'll be one over here.
And we'll direct that towards the
directional.
hall.
Okay.
So I'm almost ready. I'm going to have to run another water hose. The water supply hose is too short. The water return line is too long. Of course.
But there it is.
Fits in there pretty good.
That'll get bolted down, correct?
Yep, I'm looking for bolts long enough right now. These bolts are too short. I need about another 3/4 of an inch.
So you built a platform.
I did. I built a platform for it.
So it's not sitting flat on the floor.
Nope, I needed enough height so that the condensate drain would drain out. And this is just about 6 inches above the water line, so I don't have a whole lot of height in it to get the condensate out.
And it'll be fine for the through haul?
Yeah.
To go through? Okay, for what
Yeah, it's higher than the other one was, so it'll be all right.
Okay.
Yep, and you can see the heating coil. This one's not a reverse cycle heat. This actually has a resistive heating coil in it.
Sorry about the noise here, guys. I'm going to try to do this for you. That's the heating coil.
Yeah.
Oh, sorry.
Yeah, so there's that.
So nice. All right, more later. So tell me why we're unpacking new drills and bits and all of that. What happened?
Well, our trusty old Ryobi bit the dust big time. It smoked out terrible, stunk up the whole place, and so I resorted to my hammer drill, but I didn't have a bit.
Both battery operated, by the way.
Yeah, but I didn't have a bit good enough, I mean, for the hammer drill, and so it bounces out. So anyway, I went down to buy some bits for the hammer drill and to get a new Ryobi drill, because these all run off of the same battery, 18-volt battery. So anyway, in order for me to finish drilling the vent holes for the new unit so I can fire it up and get it going, everything's done except for priming the pump and drilling a hole.
And buying new drills to make it work.
Gotta have a drill. Life without a drill is not good on a boat. So that's it.
All right, and so down there on the, actually the base of the settee is his new pack of bits, or whatever you call them, for the hammer drill. Right there. Okay, baby. Do your job. Do your job. We have now blessed this procedure.
All right. So I wanted to give you guys this is our skip bow playing table right here. Either skip bow or Farkle. Today, Judy won 2 out of 3, or was it 4 out of 5? 3 out of 5?
No, 2 and 2.
2 and 2. Okay, so I'm still not out of it. Anyway, I wanted to show you the new installation. All the ductwork is in. Everything is working beautifully. Have not had any issues. We ended up putting the second vent over here. It is directional, so we can turn it different directions. We still left the inlet over here. We're waiting to get the teak vent covers, and we'll replace those. Good thing is, now my tools are here, so I don't have to undo the seat, the settee, to get to the tools, which I do a lot of. So that worked out. That worked out nice to get that in there. So another task completed.